Good morning, everybody. How are you today? So it's Teacher Yanni, and today we're going to learn a story and we're going to listen to it. I hope everybody's doing wonderful, and let's start working, everyone. But
Hello
first, let's
song.
listen to a song.
Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, teacher. Hello, friends. Hello, hello, hello.
So, do you remember the movie, The Polar Express? Since today is Christmas Eve, I wanted to play a part of it. Here's a part of the song, or a song.
ฉันดีอะไรอย่างนี้เมื่อทุกคนได้พบกันในวันที่สุขหัวใจคงเหงาถ้าเราไร้เพื่อนทุกคนเข้ามาช่วยกันจัดบ้านให้ดูสวยงามวันที่แสนดีเมื่อคริสต์มาสเข้ามาเยือน วันที่เด็กทุกคนจะได้ของขวัญในกล่องสวยงามความเป็นจริงฉันไม่เคยมีโอกาสเช่นนั้นสักครั้งไม่มีเด็กคนไหนยอมนอนในคืนวันคริสต์มาสอีฟเฝ้ารอซานตาคลอสมาหาเมื่อกระดิ่งซานตาดัง ฉันหาเท่าไรไม่เจอเมื่อเทวดาร้องเพลงแต่ฉันก็ไม่ได้ยินและทุกฝันของทุกคนจะได้เป็นจริงขึ้นมาอยากให้เป็นจริงเมื่อคริสต์มาสเข้ามาเยือนฝากฝันงดงามเมื่อคริสต์มาสเข้า
All right, everybody. So here's the story we're going to read today. So we're going to learn a story today called The Missing Doll. We're going to learn 6 vocabulary words. Let's take a moment and let's look at the words we're going to learn today of this story. The first word is clothes. Clothes. Let's say it together. Clothes. Clothes. Blanket. 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 Shelf. 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 Floor. 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 Room. 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 And last, bed. 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 Let's read the story. Jane was very sad. She could not find her doll. Her mom said, "Look in your room. Maybe your doll is there. Jane looked in her room. It was a terrible mess. She started to clean her room. She put all the books on the shelf. She put her blanket on her bed. She picked up her clothes on the floor. I found her, Jane said. My doll was hiding under my clothes. I think she was playing hide and seek. Jane put her doll in the dollhouse. Her room was clean, and now it was time to play. So let's take a moment and let's answer the questions that you will have in a separate file. So question number 1. Choose the correct and circle the correct answer. Jane lost her A, pet, B, doll, or C, truck. Jane found it under her A, clothes, B, blanket, or C, hat. At the start of the story, Jane's room was A, clean, B, messy, or C, green. So when she first went in her room, how did Jane's room look? Was it A, clean, B, messy, or C, green? At the end of the story, Jane's room was A, clean, B, messy, or C, wet. So what did Jane's room look like when she finished her room? Was it A, clean, B, messy, or C, wet? Question number 2. What happened first, second, and third in the story? So what happened first, second, and third? Question 3. Answer each question. Have you ever lost anything? What was it? Where did you find it? And question 4. Let's write the vocabulary words in a sentence. So we're going to use the vocabulary words that we learnt in this lesson today. So those words are blanket, floor, shelf, room, and bed. We're going to use clothes as an example. So instead of having to write 6 sentences, you will only have to write 5. So example number 1, I washed my clothes on Sunday. So write a sentence using the word blanket, floor, shelf, room, and bed. Any sentence that you would like. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I look forward to seeing you guys in our next class. Have a great day, everybody. See you next time. Bye-bye.